They're like, oh, what is this? It tastes like spoiled milk. I said, what do you expect? It comes from a pampered cow. Oh, hey everyone. Welcome back to my page. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. I know it's been a while. We have the unboxing today. This is Aniki. This was a warehouse sale, so it's not tailored to me. But they recently had a warehouse sale on their Etsy. And since it's been about 5 years since I got my suit, I figured I'd snatch this up, and I can show you guys how my suit is doing after this time, or a few pieces compared to what's in here. So this I ordered on October 27th. They shipped it out on the 30th at 8 o'clock their time, and it got here today, November. What is today? November 4th. It got here before noon. So really fast. Thank you DHL. Thank you Aniki for shipping it out really fast. So let's get to it. Now, if you'll remember from one of the previous times, they didn't wait for our signature. They just dropped it off and they signed it themselves. This time, we got a open package. So hopefully nothing really messed up. But it's really nice to have an Aniki thing to open again. So let's get to it. Safety first. I don't know if it was DHL that got this all messed up, or if it was customs. That hadn't happened to me before. So we're opening it up from the bottom. Giggity. So the most wear, look at that. The things that show the most wear are my boots, my belt. I guess I didn't measure myself right, so I've been wanting to get a new one of those. And then the gloves, which they're holding up pretty well for 5 years. I got it just before 2019 ended. No helmet, but since it was from a photo shoot, they did include the suit. Or they said they included the suit and the underhood. Let's put this down, pull that out. Great packaging like normal. Thank you, Aniki. Everything we've gotten from them is packed nice and safe. Here's the invoice. And it says no hoodie, no helmet pouch, obviously, because there's no helmet. So I guess we'll see. Now my shield is doing pretty well. It's just a little compressed because I took it in a suitcase. Here's my signed Green Ranger plush, thanks to Toku Spirits. Got signed by the Burai himself. He was here in San Antonio. Here's the left foot. And everything was close enough to my size that I thought it would be alright to order. Yeah, for being in storage, not too bad. 44, I believe is the European size. European, I hardly know her. Here's mine. You see they're real scuffed up. But still in pretty good shape for 5 years, I think. The suit, if it doesn't fit me, because I'm still a pretty big guy, I'll probably sell. Right boot still looking smooth, nice and shiny. Top quality like always. That's my right boot. Getting scrunched down from all the uses. I'm not sure, you can even tell a shiny difference. I'm not sure when this suit was made. You don't see too many photo shoots of their white suit. And I didn't think to ask her. The gloves are packed up pretty neat. Or differently at least. And they put in all the silica gels to keep it nice and fresh. So this one, the stitching looks good. Everything's nice and tight. Let me try it on. This is one of the things I wasn't sure if the measurements ever actually did anything. But yeah, this one feels smaller. So this is the right arm and my left hand. You can see it starting to go, getting a little loose. Still holding up rather well for 5 years. Here's my right hand. This one gets it rough. You see the stitching coming out. Real loose around where you pull it on and take it off. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was wrong. No real difference. Let me try on mine. Okay, so yeah, you can see the glove is a little shorter on theirs. Hand fits well. The cuff itself comes about to the end of my palm, whereas here it's right around the wrist. And it's a little tight, but nice and new. You can see the difference in the white maybe, and definitely the gold. So I'm happy to have a spare set of gloves. And I'm really happy with the interaction with Aniki over Etsy. Right as soon as I sent my payment, they messaged me asking for my information, and then they said we'll ship it out in 3 to 5 days. The boots I won't try on at the moment. I think you can see why my gloves are so worn out the way I put them on. So I'm pretty comfortable. I don't mind having these as a spare set. It comes with another holster. My holster is starting to go down. Mainly because of the size of Saba. Ooh. Yeah, it's definitely. So hopefully the glue I have will hold that in. It's the same place is starting to come apart on mine. Nice shiny new holster. Let's check out the shield. So they said it had some imperfections. Nothing really noteworthy, just a little, a little dusty, some marring on the armor. But for something that's not made for me, can't complain. Oh, wow. Oh yeah, it's a little shorter than mine. Otherwise, not too bad. We're on pretty good. Yeah, and they let you make offers on their Etsy store. So if you see something you like that when they have it on sale, go ahead and shoot the offer because you never know. Ooh, a spider. All the way from Indonesia. Yeah, let's kill that. Sorry, I know that's bad luck. I wouldn't, but you never know what. So yeah, some little minor imperfections. It's not brand new, like I said, so that's fine. We'll throw it in the buffer, clean it up. I was looking forward to a new underhood, so I'll be kind of sad if they don't have that. I have been needing a new belt. I bought one from one seller, but it was pure leather, so it left a black mark when I sweat through it. And then my original Aniki one, I mismeasured my waist, so it's a little big, and I didn't want to cut it up. Let me check these measurements really fast. So the shield, I believe, was for a 116 centimeter waist, or around. The boots are European 44. And then the gloves, 27 centimeters. And this belt is 100 centimeters, so that's that's smaller than what the measurement I sent me, so hopefully it'll fit good. And there were two different ones, so hopefully they sent me the right one. Hopefully this is the 100 centimeter belt. I love their belts. In the pictures I had, it looked like the paint wasn't really put in, but this one looks fine. I'll measure, I don't know if that's 100 centimeters. So yeah, it's a little small. We'll see what I can do with that. Yeah, that's one of the things I was worried about, is if I ordered one and they sent me the other one. But we'll see. It was cheap. There was a big old discount. Thank you, Aniki. And so this definitely won't fit me. Hopefully there's an underhood in here. Nope, no underhood. Maybe it will fit. No, look at that chest. Nice and shiny. Mine's gone through the dry cleaners a few times, so it's not quite so pristine. It's actually the dry cleaners right now, so I can't put it on for comparison. And then they didn't send measurements for the suit, but so we'll try it on later. I'm disappointed there was not an underhood. I was looking forward to having a new one of those. And they said it would in the listing, but that's it. Thank you for sitting through this whole unboxing. Thank you, Aniki, for this for the sale. And I guess that's it. Until next time, may the power protect you and may peace favor your sword. Pax Tecum.